Hello everyone, welcome. My name is MC. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time, you're welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a full face makeup using all black owned makeup brands, but I'm going to be bringing it home. What I mean by that is I'm going to be using it in my own contest, which is the Nigerian owned makeup brands. So I've over the years used a lot of Nigerian brands and they are fantastic. Like, I'm not even going to lie, some are at that level where they've done their own work really good. Watch your penny, and I'm going to be showing you the ones that I have that I've used. I don't have everything, but just the ones that I have used. I know there are a lot of brands out there, but these ones are the ones that I've tested, tried over time, and they're good. If you have any recommendation, please put it below in the comment section. I would love to try other products. I'd love to explore. I know there are a lot of good ones out there, but these ones are the ones I have. So if you have any recommendation, please put them in the comment section. I will go get it. The first product I'm going to be showing you is a brush cleaner by Beauty Essentials by Ensure. That happens to be my brand, so I do brush cleaners, brush wash, and all that. So what this basically does is, if I need to clean out my brushes, I just put spray, and especially now that we have a lot of hygiene issues, and you have to be careful. So just get a clean tissue like that, and then you just go. Don't think that it's just for makeup artists alone. Even if you're not a makeup artist, as long as you're applying makeup on your face, you need one, so that that way you're sure you're not leaving to chance or leaving to the makeup artist. You're taking responsibility. Do you understand what I'm saying? So after 2 sprays, can you see? So use it to clean all your brushes before you start. First thing first, I'm going to prime my face. So we have a lot of beautiful primers. So I have no makeup on my face. My face is very bare. I have nothing on. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to prime my face. So I'm going to go into the different kind of primers we have. The Nigerian brands that I know and I love, and I can put my hands in my chest and say they are good. So first thing first, I'm going to start with the Zaron Oil Block Mattifier. So the Zaron Oil Block Mattifier is for people that have very oily skin. So if you have oily skin, this can work for you. It will help you control the oil from your face, and this is what it looks like. So just use a little bit of that on your face. Then there's also this 24 hours no shine pore filling mattifying primer from BM Pro. This is also very good. This works well as well. You can get this from BM Pro store. Zaron Regenerating Hydrating Primer. This is how it looks, and then it comes with a pump. This is really very good. So there's also if you have pores, like a large pores on your face, you can try the Zaron Oil Free Pore Minimizer. This is what it looks like. This is not an oil control. This is not an oil control, even though it controls a bit of shine, but that's not what it does. So this is just a pore minimizer. It helps to minimize your pore and gives you a smooth canvas to work with. Finally, I have the sunscreen from Misykona, and it's beautiful. This is very high in SPF. It's SPF 50. So if you're looking for something that can protect you all day without worrying under Lagos sun or Nigerian weather, this is actually very beautiful. You can give it a try in Misykona. I used to have their moisture potion, but mine finished and I'm yet to restock, so you can also get that from them as well. I'm going to go in with my BM Pro 24 hours no shine poreless mattifying finish, a white film all over my face. So that's what I have. The thing I'm going to be doing is my eye makeup. So I don't want to do the foundation yet because I'm going to be using glitters and I don't want the fallout to make a mess when I'm trying to clean out and take out. So I'm going to just go straight into doing my eye makeup. Once I'm done with my eye makeup, I move to my skin, and that's eye primer recommendation. I have the abit. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's it. And then I have Flawless IV like that as well. So these are the two that I currently use. So I'm going to use the Younger Beauty on my lid, and then that's it, just a little bit. It's not very white. So on my lid. Okay. Eyeshadow. So this is the shade I'm using. Okay, from Elsa Pro. This brush is from Sit Pretty eyeshadow brush. Let me just go in. So this is like Beauty Cosmetics pencil. It's a dark brown, so I just go in. This brush from Barrier brush. I'm just put it in. So this brush set is actually red. I like the color. For recommendation of good Nigerian brush set, you can do Barriers, you can do Aganesta. I know Aganesta has very nice brush set. I think you can do Sweet Pretty, there's White Glam, you can also do RLG, Makeup 360. So there are loads of them that have good brushes that are, the fiber are really nice. So check them out. That's from Charlie Crown. So I'm just going to put it on my eyelid. So I'll use a glitter glue, Charlie Crown glitter glue. I don't know if you can see that. It's clear. Okay, let's see. So then I open up the glitter. The glitters are actually chunky glitters, they are large. I'm taking here. Can you see? So if you notice, I'm just patting it on. I'm just patting it on. Glitter company as well in Nigeria, like people that make glitter. So I know there's shops to see glitters. There's Isong glitters. There's Lufta. They have beautiful pigments. There's White Glam. So I'm just going to show you in a bit what they look like. That's it. Can you see why I said I wanted to do the foundation next after I've done my eye makeup? Because all these glitters will fall off and then make a mess. So I'm going to just clean out the surrounding of the eyes and then have my skin prep. On to the other beautiful brands that we have. We have Twinkle, Twinkle by White Glam. This is also a very nice pigment. We have Sweet Pretty, which also a very nice pigment. I have Shopsy pigments, Shopsy glitter pigments. You know, they're good together. Luster also is pigments, glitters, you know, they've extended into lashes as well now. You know, so just check them out. So this is what we have. Next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to line my eyes. So I'm lining my eyes with the Beauty Cosmetics brown still, because I don't want to have it all black. I want to have it all brown. So I'm going in with the Beauty Cosmetics brown. To go in with Debbie Luster eye pencil. A pencil is really good. That's one of the blackest pencils I've seen. So a black is black. So I'm lining my eye with that. My spring mascara. So I have 3 different brands of mascara here. There's Blot, there's Zaron, and there's Younger Beauty. Then I'm going to pull it together, and then I go in. So it has, so for the Blot it has 2 sides. It has this side, and then it has this side, which is really thin. So this works for the under eye, which is perfect for the under eye. Just brush it out. Lashes. I like Miss Martin's lashes. I like Wings Beauty lashes. I have the Wings Beauty lash tray. So there are a lot of design there and it's fluffy like comb. It's the 16-in-1 luxury lash. It also has its own so they have their own lash glue as well, Wings lash glue. So I'm going to be using the lash glue for it. It's another very nice recommendation of glue that I can make for light eyelash is the SF Beauty lash glue. It's also very nice. I love it. Then there's Miracle as well. I'm out of that. So that's it for the lashes. Isn't it beautiful? So this is Serenity. So yeah, isn't it beautiful? So this is Serenity. That's the one I'm using. I like the length and I like the volume. So now let me move on to the next phase, which is the eye. Yeah. So if I'm going to be using pencil, for options of Nigerian brand pencils, a lot. So this is Beauty Line by Didi, one of my faves. Then this is Biwa. I like this because it's actually very thin, but you have to be very careful, if not it will just break. Then this is Debbie Luster. Debbie Luster also have browns that are really nice and it's not waxy at all, it's dry. Then there's Zaron. Zaron pencil, very nice. There's Misykona as well. This is Misykona pencil, has this side and then it has the brush side. So this, then there's the Classic also has a pencil, so I use that as well. So this is the brush side, and then this is the pencil side. It's also equally very pigmented. Then there's Younger Beauty Brow Lotion. So this is the first set she has. I've done another one now, but I still have from this. So I still want to finish this before I get the next one. And Younger Beauty Brow Lotion also is very good. I like it because these are faded bleach brow effects. Then there's Brow Bomb from Beauty King. Brow Bomb also is very good. This comes in, I think, 3 different shades. So and this shades on my own skin. This is like the darkest brown, so I use the Brow Bomb, and it's really nice. So those are like the brow pencils that I use. Then let me get to the brow gels as well. So for the brow gel, this is Secure the Brows from Beauty Line by Beauty. It's really nice. I think she has it in 2 shades, so you look for there's a light brown and then a darker brown, so you decide which one you want to use. So I also have this Beauty King Plum Brow. It's clear, it doesn't have a color, so just like to tame your brow. Then Blot Beauty. Light Toffee is a must-have. That one I'm out of Light Toffee, but it's the other shade. But Light Toffee is a must-have for Blot Beauty. Beautiful. Then there's Younger Beauty Brow Leafy Tinted Braids. Gives like a very bleach blonde brows. I like. So those are the ones for brow TM brow tamer. And this is the clear one. I haven't gotten the colored one. This is just the clear brow tamer. So this just stains the brow. Just let the brow go. Then for those brow gel lovers, this Blot Beauty brow gel, fantastic. If you don't have it, please go get it. It's fantastic. That's the Blot Beauty brow gel. And then the other one is the Aganesta brow gel as well. This is also very good. So these are my 2 favorite brow gels currently. So if you have extra so these are my 2 favorite currently. So if you have another brand that you know and you love, please kindly recommend in the comment section. I will try it out. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's what I use. Then I'm going to go in with the Younger Beauty Brow Lific, like the shade. See? And I'll go over the top with it, just a little bit. Alright guys, so that's the brows. I'm done with the brows. So I'm going to move into the next step, which is the foundation application. Already I have my mattifier on, so I'm just going to move to that. So for foundation, next step is foundation. Luban Beauty. So this is a very medium to full coverage, skin finish. That's it. Very buildable. Then there's Blot Beauty. Blot Beauty gives very full coverage, very natural finish as well. It's also very buildable. Then there's BM Pro Foundation. BM Pro Foundation is one of my favorites. It's especially for my own shade. It just mimics my skin. Like you can't even tell that I have anything. I'll just look at my skin. Fantastic. I've done a review on it. I will leave the link below so you can see the review of the foundation. Beautiful. It's really lovely. Then finally, Aganesta. Aganesta is also very good. It gives very medium to full coverage and it's buildable. So the finish is not so oily. So these are my 4 foundations that I have here that I have tried and I've used. Blot Beauty, BM Pro, Luban Beauty, and Aganesta. So, but if you have others that you have used and you really like, please put me up and put it in the comment section below. I'm going with Luban Beauty for this look because I want that skin finish. So just take a little bit of it. Wow. And then I have Zaron concealer. So I also know that Nova Beauty has very good concealer as well. Again, also has concealer as well. So there are other brands that have concealer. So I'm going to use this Tara concealer. So for the powder we have, I like Blood Beauty powder. This is what it comes in. So this is what it looks like. It's just matte. Then there's Aganesta powder as well. I love Aganesta powder too because the finish it gives as well. The way the casing is, I like the way it is so stylish. It comes with a pouch, and in the pouch you have your applicator, so it's very, very stylish. You know, it's different from the regular. So that's a. Then there's setting powder from Zaron, so I'm just quickly going to apply that and then come back. In Blood Beauty is Cola. I'm the darkest of them all. So that's my shade. So my shade in Blood Beauty. So I think for powder foundation, I think actually ranges that much. It's not really difficult to manage because it's perfect. It's just okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's it. Then I'm going to go in with bronze. And then I blend. I'm doing a brown lip. So I have this BM Pro. I have this brown from BM Pro. I'm going to give the name. I can't actually say it, but this is the brown from BM Pro. So I'm going to use the brown. Then I have another brown from Then I have another brown from Tails Cosmetics. I love the brown. Then there's another brown from Zaron. So just have like browns, you know. So this is, I have, so for the lips I'm going to be doing like, even the brown alone is fine. What do you think? I think I like it. So that's it. So what do you think? I would love to try out more brands. I'd love to, get my hands on them. If you can hook me up with them, I would be so happy so I can do reviews and, let more people know about our own Nigerian products and how they work. Don't forget to like, share, turn on the notification bell, drop comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Till my next video. Bye.